This is what it's all about. Houston high-rise living with floor-to-ceiling windows. Now we're talking with two, not just one, but two walls, including a balcony. Oh my goodness, isn't this gorgeous? And then add to it a perfect new modern apartment. This is unbelievably gorgeous. It is stunning in every way. I love this kitchen too. This kitchen, look at this perfect island with this quartz countertops, a white quartz. You can see a lot of people in here and just really clean lines that you can see here too around really nice appliances, and all the appliances you need are here. Look at this beautiful lighting and the white cabinets. It's just literally perfect. And then you've got a really nice gas stove, so you'll be cooking like a gourmet here in this lovely Houston high-rise apartment. And inside the island, you've also got a wine fridge. This is amazing. And then it just keeps going on because look at all the space you have. This is going to be a space you can have 10, maybe even 15 people over here. It's really, really nice, and they're going to love these views. It's going to be a fun time over here when you have your guests, your friends, or that special someone over here. Hey, my number is below. Send me a text. Tell me who you are, a little bit about what you're looking for, kind of maybe the move-in date you're thinking about, and just reach out to me. I would love to hear from you. And you can just say, hey, I'm looking to move maybe in this month for in Houston in a high-rise apartment. I'd love to get your help. And I watched the video, and this particular video is called the Ashlyn at the Aspire. So you can just reference that and just say, I'd like more information about this, and we'll get together and compare choices and get you a list of the perfect high-rises to consider for your needs. So reach out. I can't wait to hear from you. Also, at any time, you can go to our website, uptown101.com, uptown101.com, and you can fill out a search request there at uptown101.com/search. Go ahead and become one of our subscribers as well. We'd love to have you as our regular subscriber, and you're going to see really firsthand more very vivid, good content like this. Hey, we got another video coming of this beautiful Ashlyn floor plan.